Para pong nabaliwala ang mga opisyal ng COMELEC kanina nang mismong si Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago ang nagpanumpa sa anak niya bilang party list representative. Ginawang panunumpa sa opisina pa mismo ng COMELEC. Nakatutok si Tina Pangaliban Perez.
Mahirap at mayaman. Si Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago mismo ang nagpanumpa sa tungkulin sa anak niyang sinalsi sa the 3rd o Archie. Si Archie ang first nominee ng Alliance of Rural Concerns o ARC, isa sa mga nanalong party list group. Sa COMELEC ginawa ang oath-taking, pero sina COMELEC Chairman Benjamin Avalos at Commissioner Romeo Bronner, mga saksi lang. Nangyari ang oath-taking isang araw matapos ibasura ng COMELEC and Bank ang pagbawi ng ARC sa nomination ni Archie Santiago.
Wala po akong problema doon. If we may have a problem, it may be because one or more members of the alliance might have a different agenda or propaganda or program as opposed to rural development. But as far as I'm concerned, we are all on the same page.
My son has not committed murder, arson, or rape, so I don't know what their basis is, except that possibly they want to run the office itself, which will include the pork barrel and the operating expenses. That's the problem. When there is money, you attract trouble, like honey attracts flies.
Hirit naman ng ARC, basa lang daw sa isang technicality, kaya dinismiss ng COMELEC ang kanilang petisyon.
Marami siyang violation na ginawa doon sa ARC Constitution and Bylaws. Sa ganito, parang sinasabi niya na hindi ka na pwede magpalit kahit na magkaroon ka ng problema ang partido mo doon sa representative mo sa loob ng Congress.
After elections, the names cannot be withdrawn.
Pinubulaan na naman ni Senador Santiago na front ang administrasyon ng ARC. Ngayon pa lang may pareho ng agenda ang magnanay, ang pagpapatuloy ng Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program.
I'd like my children, now one only left, to be completely independent of their mother. I cannot possibly dominate them in the same way that I have tried unsuccessfully to dominate my husband. I have already learned my lesson.
Hanggang 2010 na lang uupong senador si Miriam.
I hope that he will be more like his father, who has a higher social intelligence than I do. I am really socially illiterate. I don't know how to get along well with people.
Ngayong kongresista na ang kanyang anak, nagbago na kaya ang tingin ni Senator Miriam sa mga taga-kamara na minsan na niyang tinawag na mga talakitok.
If a congressman votes to support my anti-billboard blight act, definitely hindi siya talakitok. Mahali siyang superior grade of fish, pero hindi na siya kasama doon sa mga kalaban ko.
Tina Pangaliban Perez, nakatutok, 24 oras.